Hello there, welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to install the Truth Plus app to your Hisense smart TV. This is very easy. Like, subscribe and share if you find the video helpful. So if you want to install Truth Plus, what you have to do is to come over to your app store on your Hisense smart TV. Here's mine over here. So just go ahead and launch the app store. So as you launch, it should look the same like mine because the Vida operating system has its official store on the same on all its Vida smart TVs. So once you are here, just go over to the option that says search and search the name application, which in this case is the Truth Plus. So I'm just going to come over here and I type in Truth. So TRUTH. So I'm going to search from here. And once you search here, the application we're looking for. So Truth Plus, click on it, okay. And it's going to bring you to this installation page here, which you can install. It says this free speech live on Truth Plus. So just click install and the application should install. Now you choose where to place it on your home screen. And once you do that, you are good to go. You can go ahead and launch the application and start enjoying the content on it. So if you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.